Be grateful kung unsa ang nasa inyo karon. So whatever it is, the blessings that God given to you, be grateful to it. You need to be thankful every day. The way we wake up early in the morning, we need to become thankful and grateful that God given us a birth, another life na po, because life is too short. So I have to say, all of us will pass away here. This earth will be temporary. So be grateful kung unsa naa sa inyo karon. Do not neglect your family. So spend time to your family. So be a blessing to your family. Samtang napa sila dira. So you need to appreciate those times. Napa sila. Focus on what is the present right now. What is in control sa imo karon. Do not focus on the negative things. So kapag mata pa lang mo sa buntag, dapat madasigon, lipayon, og thankful ka saya. And yeah, you appreciate those small things because God bless those people who appreciate small things, and He will give you the bigger things in life. So we must be thankful for little things, and along the way, sooner or later, God will do something bigger things sa life mo. Just be grateful. Young generation, rooting from afar. God bless everyone.